Special forces are not Rambos with huge 40-inch biceps. They are normal people like you and me. The only thing different is here. World champions, the difference between you and a world champion is not in the body, it's here. So let's talk about belief. आप लोगों को lactic acid पता है क्या है? Anyone? Yes? Everyone knows lactic acid? So you all work out when you go to the gym. Gym में आप कभी भी, even if you suppose you're doing your upper body, you will not do 200 reps together of your bicep or whatever. You will break it up into sets. 15, 20, 25. मगर जब भी तुम लास्ट रेप लगा रहे होते हो ना, इतनी ज्यादा जलन हो रही होती है यहां पे कि ओ माय गॉड, कभी जिंदगी में वेट नहीं उठाया जाएगा. लैक्टिक एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन योर बॉडी. इट्स योर बॉडीज वे ऑफ टेलिंग योर मसल्स दैट तूने इतना काम हर रोज नहीं करता. यू माइट रप्चर इट, स्प्रेन इट, स्टॉप इट. इज दैट योर लिमिट? नो, दैट्स नॉट योर लिमिट. दैट्स नेवर योर लिमिट, बट यू स्टॉप. एंड एवरी टाइम यू स्टॉप, दैट रिमेन्स योर लिमिट. सो इसी बात से हम शुरू करते हैं. लैक्टिक एसिड से बात आई पेन की. लैक्टिक एसिड से पेन आती है बॉडी में. हाउ अबाउट इफ यू कैन कंट्रोल पेन विद योर ब्रेन? व्हाई? हाउ इज दैट नॉट पॉसिबल? अगर तुम, मेरे यहां पे पेन हो रही है, मैंने पेन किलर खाया, पेन खत्म हो गया. जस्ट द सिग्नल गोइंग टू दैट पेन हैज किल्ड. यस, व्हेन द पेन किलर wears off, you will get the pain again. Imagine if you can control it with your brain, because an outside chemical has been able to do it. Imagine the power of being able to control your brain. So, सबको स्क्वाट्स पता क्या होते हैं? स्क्वाट्स की जगह, इसकी जगह यहां पे अगर कुर्सी होती और मैं बैठ रहा होता, इसको कहते हैं स्क्वाट. यस? वो पीछे से देख रहा है भाई कि किस पे बैठा है, किसी पे नहीं बैठा भाई. सो दिस इज अ स्क्वाट. अब क्या होएगा, थोड़ी देर में लैक्टिक एसिड विल स्टार्ट इन माई लेग्स और मेरे सिग्नल जाएगा ब्रेन पे, कर क्या रहा है तू ये? और मैं बोलूंगा चुप है, बेइज्जती ना कराना, मैं सबको डेमो दे रहा हूं. किस बात का डेमो? डेमो ऑफ हाउ टू कंट्रोल पेन विद माई ब्रेन एंड नॉट लिसन टू यू, बिकॉज आई एम योर मास्टर एंड यू आर माई स्लेव. तो मेरी बॉडी क्या कह रही है? ठीक है यार, जल्दी कर ले, दर्द होनी शुरू हो गई है. एंड व्हाट एम आई टेलिंग माई बॉडी? शट अप, आई एम योर मास्टर, यू आर माई स्लेव. थोड़ी देर के बाद अब मर गया, बहुत दर्द हो रही है यार. शट अप बॉय, आई एम योर मास्टर, यू आर माई स्लेव. अब बहुत ज्यादा दर्द हो रही है. शट अप. एंड दैट्स हाउ यू विल टॉक टू योर बॉडी, मैन. दिस विल हैपन. इट्स अ फाइट. But I can do this for 1 hour. Not only me, I can make you all do this for 1 hour. Not with motivation. Motivation से नहीं होती बातें ये. So basically, if you can go beyond your limit, when your life is threatened by this much, why can't you go beyond your limit every single day by this much? And that's how you become world champions. So ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, you think you become champions or even the best in your class or the best in 5 of your friends by competing with them. Every single time you do that, you will lose. Every single time. They are much better than you today. How can you get better than them? By competing with yourself. Your only competition in life always is you. Why? Who do you know the best? Yourself. Who can't you lie to? Yourself. And so who's the easiest person to beat? Yourself. So let me give you an example. Sir, आप छोटी बातें करते हो. मैंने वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनना है, या मैंने इंडिया नंबर 1 बनना है. चलो भाई ठीक है, किस में बनना है? सर, आई वॉन्ट टू बी द फास्टेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड, और मे बी आई वॉन्ट टू बी नीरज चोपड़ा. तो क्या ठीक है, कितनी जैवलिन थ्रो करता है भाई? या व्हाट इज योर टाइमिंग फॉर 100 मीटर्स? सर, माई टाइमिंग फॉर 100 मीटर्स इज 13 seconds और 75 meters for javelin. So tomorrow can you throw 85 meters or can you make it 9.69 or 5.8 like Blake or Usain Bolt? कल बीट कर सकते हो उस टाइम को? No. Can you beat your time of 13 and make it 12.99? Yes. 12.98 next day, 12.97 next day. if you're better than yesterday every single day, one day you will beat Usain Bolt or Neeraj Chopra. Even if you want to be world champion, your competition is you. Then they say, sir, success is based on so many things. Sir, luck, sir. Sir, my parents have, his parents have a lot of money, sir. His parents have sifarish and connections, sir. Now, I don't believe all that. Sir, it's very easy for you to say, sir. Now you are succeeding, sir. No, I never believed it even when I was nothing. Why? See, I believe success is a choice. Kiski choice? Tumhari choice. Why? Because hard work is a choice. Yes? Yes? Attitude, choice? Yes? Effort, choice? Yes? Discipline, choice? Yes? Kiski choice? Tumhari choice. Success? Choice. Your choice. So guys, understand, you make life out to be very, very tough when it's not. Because you try to, and that's what you should do. You want to be the best in the world, and that is what you should do. Indians are the best in the world. But not by competing with the best in the world. Your competition lies within, right here. And that's the easiest person to beat in life. Then, the last little gyan which I wanted to banto with all my experience is how much you care what other people think about you. That is the worst thing you can do. Especially your parents, I'm talking about first even your parents, your relatives, your friends. Why? Whenever you care about what other people think about what you are, who you are, what you should be, that means you are trying to live life to their standards. और वो बंदा चोर हो सकता है. So you may be trying to impress a chor, lucha, makar. The only person you should be able to impress is yourself. That's it. Because that is the only person you can't lie to. You can try even lying to God. Try lying to God. You can lie to your parents. खुद से झूठ नहीं बोला जाता जब आपको देखते हो. अगर आप अपने आप को देख के बोल सकते हो, yes, today I had the best day of my life, today I gave it my best, and you actually look at yourself in the eyes, that's the day you've actually done yourself justice. So, this is just the funda of what the special forces do, what world champions do, and you'll see world champions in all different sports or all fields of life. Where is it? Here. Competition is inside here. And all of you can do it. All of you can be world champions because all of you can beat yourself every single day. It's in you. Thank you so much, everyone.